Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a reputable QR generator that supports URL, vCard, Wi-Fi, and analytics. Create a free account when analytics are required for tracking scans. Next, select the content type, for example URL, then paste the full link into the input field. Set the error correction level to H for maximum robustness against damage or obscuring. Specify the output image size as 300 x 300 pixels to ensure scanning reliability across devices. Customize the QR code appearance by adjusting foreground and background colors. Always preserve high contrast between foreground and background for reliable scanning. Add a centered logo or icon, but keep it no larger than 50 x 50 pixels to avoid scan errors. Choose PNG format for lossless image quality and realism. Set the margin to 1/4 of a module to ensure quiet zone compliance with scanners. Generate the QR code as a PNG at 300 x 300 pixels and download the final file. Test the QR with at least 3 devices and 2 different scanning apps before printing or publishing. If including a logo, confirm scans still succeed at typical viewing distances. For campaigns, enable analytics in your generator or use unique URLs to measure traffic and conversions. Finally, deploy the QR in high resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.